Tubers, what's up? I hope you're having a happy hair day. Now, today I'm going to get serious because there's a reason why you tapped into this video, and it's not a laughing matter. Let's be frank. Your hair is thinning. It's getting light. You're looking in the mirror. You don't like what you see. So I want to talk about it, and I'm going to help you with, soon as you notice your hair is thinning, I got a solution for you. Hit it. First thing is identification. You looking in the mirror, you're like, what's going on? This is, my hair is thinning. Like you getting paranoid, you're getting scared because you notice in the mirror that your hair is thinning. And some people are in denial. Oh no, it's not thinning, something burned my hair. No. Knowing is good because you see it visually in the mirror is thinning. You wake up in the morning, it's little hairs on your pillow. This what really hurts. Even your barber says something to you about your hair thinning. But have no fear because Uncle G is here. I'm going to help you with what you do. Soon as you notice it, you got to take action. The first thing you want to do immediately is start using a leave-in conditioner. This is my Dixon 1737 leave-in conditioner. This is filled with mineral oil and soybean oil. These oils help with growth to your hair. It helps moisturize your hair. It helps replenish your hair and prevents the breakage. You want to use a leave-in conditioner 3 times a week. You don't need to use it every day because I don't want you to condition your hair every single day. I only want you to use it 3 times a week. That's the immediate action that you must take is using a leave-in conditioner. After using a leave-in conditioner, you want to take supplements for inside of your body so it can help outward. I highly recommend products like biotin, vitamin D, and also vitamin C because these products help grow your hair. The good thing about this is you're catching it early so we can prolong it and it can help your hair grow back by taking these vitamins. And then I want you to exfoliate your scalp every week. When I say exfoliate your scalp, I mean using a hot oil treatment. You can get a hair oil like my Dixon 1737 that has sesame, avocado, olive oil, and you want to heat your scalp with warm water, then simply put it on your hands and moisturize your scalp. I highly recommend moisturize your scalp 3 to 5 minutes. Just moisturize your scalp with the hot oil treatment, and this will help moisturize your hair so we can decrease the thinning. Let's look at your lifestyle. Your lifestyle matters. Take control of your life. The more you take control of your life, the more you take control of your hair. Stop stressing. Stress is one of the things that can cause you hair breakage. It might be your job, relationship, commute to work. Stop stressing over things. It's going to be okay. It's also important what you eat. I want you to eat foods that are high in protein: salmon, chicken, steak, eggs, broccoli, asparagus, carrots, nice vegetables that are enriched with protein because this can help promote growth to your hair. And as far as the stress, this is something that I've been doing lately and I highly recommend this to you fellas. Start journaling. Journaling will decrease your stress because you're basically writing out your thoughts and you're writing out what you have planned for the day. And believe me when I say this, the more I have journaled, the less stress I have had on myself because I know what my day consists of and I know where I'm going. Sometimes I'll look back at my journal and read what I was writing just so I can get to know myself more. That causes less stress on me. I know where I am and I know where I want to go moving forward. So I highly recommend journaling. I'll leave a link in the description for a journal that I use, but this is a game changer. Here's the last option. If none of this works, go see a professional like a dermatologist because they can look at your hair and do some tests and see where your hair is and how they can help your hair grow back. In conclusion, fellas, it's not too late. Don't be afraid because I've given you options to reverse the thinning of your hair. You don't have to walk around sad or stressing looking in the mirror. Just do these things, fellas. I got you. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know what you think about the video. Was this helpful for you? Leave a comment and let me know what videos you would like for me to do. I'll see y'all later. Ciao!